Hello everyone, welcome back to Mosan Diaries. Today I'm back again with another food video. It's a very famous Japanese dish called Tuna Tataki. It is one of my favorite food, guys, and whenever I go out for lunch or dinner, I always look out for this food. And today I'm gonna show you guys how I make it at home. Now let's get into the cooking. So here we have all our ingredients ready, and I have soaked this tuna in a soy sauce and black pepper for 5 minutes. Now first thing first, I'm gonna share this tuna in a pan. So let's jump here. Heat a pan in a medium flame and add some olive oil. Now wait until it gets hot enough. Now the oil is hot enough. I'm gonna share the tuna. Turn it on the other side. Ready to go in the fridge, guys. I'll keep it in fridge for about 15 minutes. While our tuna is resting in the fridge, in the meantime we're gonna prepare sauce for our tuna tataki. Here we have light and dark soy sauce mixed together, 1 teaspoon each. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half tablespoon of orange juice, half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And we also have some finely chopped garlic and ginger, some fresh coriander, and some fresh chilies. You can skip this if you don't like spicy food. Now we're gonna mix all these ingredients nicely so that everything mixes together. Few more minutes, guys, and our sauce will be ready. Should be mixed together well, guys, so that we get flavors of all these spices and sauce. Our sauce is ready and our tuna is ready to come out from the fridge. Now I'm gonna slice this tuna very thinly. Look at this, guys, our tuna is already looking very yummy and delicious. Can't wait to try this. Now it's a plating time, guys. Not too far. We are going to put the sliced tuna on top of some carrots and cucumber. Also, we are topping up the tuna with some pickled cucumber because it's so tangy. It just brings out all the flavor from our tuna. And also, we are going to pour our yummy sauce on top of our tuna. We are going to garnish our tuna tataki with some sesame seeds and some spring onion and also some coriander. And it's ready, guys. Our tuna tataki is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching our video, guys. If you liked our recipe, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye for now.